Okay, so I have this vase from Dollar Tree and I'm going to try to revamp it a little bit and create a little bit of a floral lace print. So I have some clearance lace from Hobby Lobby, Mod Podge, sponge brush, and then a spray can. I'm using white chalk paint. Okay, so I went ahead and applied this Mod Podge with the sponge brush, and I only did it on one side at a time so that way I don't mess with the paint. So I'm ready to go ahead and lay this piece of lace on there just while it gets tacky a little bit. Okay, so I laid it on there while the glue was wet, so now it's kind of a little bit on the dry side, and if you try to move it, it doesn't really move too much. So now I'm ready to add the white chalk paint that I'm going to use. I want it to be a light coat, so I'm going to go kind of further away. Just go really light. So rather than peeling this off and then trying to line it up, I'm basically just going to let this dry a little bit and then rotate it and just keep it going so that way it's a continuous pattern. Okay, so I've made my complete round and I'm ready to see what the final product is. To finish it off, I just added another layer of Mod Podge on top of the paint just to protect it from chipping. But other than that, she's all done, and I just added some faux flowers, or you can even add a candle to use it as a candle holder.